right, friends, it's time for math. Today, you're going to use your whiteboard, and I'm going to show you a card like this, and then you're going to write down the number, and we're going to see if we can do those pretty quickly. So when you write them, just keep them going on the board, and we don't have to erase every time. So make them kind of small, and then we can keep the list going. All right, are you ready? What number is this? How many tens? Write your 10 first. How many tens do you see? And then how many ones? Did you get 45? If you did, great job, because there were 1, 2, 3, 4 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. All right, I'm going to go a little quicker with the next few. Count them. Write your tens first and then your ones. How many tens do you see? How many ones? All right, that one just changed by 1 10. 35. If you got 35, good job. What number is this? Write your tens first and then your 1. Did you get 41? Awesome job. This one, they tried to trick us. How many tens? How many ones? Did you get 40? Because there were 4 tens and 0 ones. If you did, awesome job. They couldn't even trick you. If you didn't, it's okay. Fix it up. I know this is a new concept we've been working on. We'll keep on practicing. All right, write this one. How many tens? How many ones? Did you get 33? 2 3s? If you did, awesome. If you didn't, keep trying. You can get this. All right, how many tens? How many ones? Did you write 20? 2 0, because there were 2 tens and 0 ones. Awesome job. If I'm going a little fast, it's because we're going to keep going until we can get this fast at them. So you keep going and hopefully you can keep up. If not, just keep checking every time I show you the answer. All right, how many tens? How many ones? Did you get 42? 4 tens, 2 ones? Awesome job. All right. How many tens? How many ones? Did you get 13? 1 10, 3 ones? That's awesome. We got 2 left. What do you see here? How many tens and how many ones? Did you write a 14, a 1 and a 4? Good job. And our last card for today. Oh, again, they're trying to trick us. How many tens? How many ones do you see? Did you write 10 because there was 1 10 and 0 ones? If you did, awesome. I'm so proud of you. All right, let's read our numbers. 45, 35, 41, 40, 33, 20, 42, 13, 14, 10. Awesome. I hope you were able to keep up. If you weren't, it's okay. We're going to keep doing that each one of our math lessons for the next few lessons so that we can get quicker and quicker at recognizing those numbers when we see the tens and the ones. All right, friends, today we're going to work on our number bonds again with some word problems. So on your whiteboard, you're going to draw 1 circle and then another circle, 2 like this, and then draw 2 lines coming down and make a box at the bottom. So the 2 numbers that we say first are going to go up here, and then the number all together is going to go down there at the bottom. All right, I'm going to read the word problem to you, and we're going to fill it out in the number bond. All right, there were 5 students at the park. 3 were playing basketball, so I'm going to put 3 right here, and 2 were on the swings. There were 3 at basketball and 2 on the swings, so how many were there at the park? I need to have 3 and 2 more, so I'm going to put 3 in my brain and count 2 more. 3, 4, 5. There were 5 students at the park. Now, how would I write that as a number sentence? You go ahead and see if you can write the number sentence, and I'll write it, and we'll see if you and I have the same answer. Okay? I'll give you just a few seconds to put that into a number sentence with a plus and an equal sign and see if you got it. Okay, did you write 3 plus 2 equals 5? Awesome job. All right, try to erase your numbers without erasing your whole number bond here. And we'll do some more. All All right, we're going to practice a few together before we do our paper. There were 3 cats in the barn, and 2 more cats came in. How many cats are in the barn now? Put that 3 in your brain. Oh, I'm sorry, I keep writing my 2's the wrong way. I'm going to put the 3 in my brain and count 2 more. 3, 4, 5. All right, we just did this one, so I know you can write that number sentence. You write the number sentence. I'm going to give you just 5 seconds, and then we'll share. All right, did you write 3 plus 2 equals 5? Awesome. That one, they gave us the exact same numbers twice. All right, let's erase those numbers, but keep your number bond. I went to the store. I put 4 bananas in my cart. And then I put 3 apples in my cart. How many pieces of fruit are in my cart now? What's my strategy? How am I going to figure this out? Put that 4 in your brain, and how many more do I need to add? 3 more. So I'm going to hold up 3 fingers, and we're going to count 3 more. 4, 5, 6, 7. There were 7 pieces of fruit in my cart. Now I need to make a number sentence with these 3 numbers, so I'm going to start with that 4. 4 plus 3 equals 7. All right, I hope you're getting the hang of it. We're going to do a few more together. Keep following along. All right, on my birthday, I got 2 cards. Oh, that's such a habit. I got to switch. 2 cards in the mail, and then 4 cards from my family. How many cards did I get all together? All right, use your counting on. If you have 2 in your brain and you add 4 more. 2. How many did you get? Did you get 6? If you did, awesome job. Now write the number sentence and we'll check it. Did you write 2 plus 4 equals 6? If you did, you got it. Good job. If you didn't, fix it. Use those 3 numbers and fix it up. Make that number sentence say 2 plus 4 equals 6. All right, I have 1 penny in my desk and 3 pennies in my backpack. How many pennies do I have now? Oh, you guys got this one because you know how to add 3 and 1. You can put that number in your brain real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 pennies. All right, write the number sentence. You got it. I know you do. 1 plus 3 equals 4. We've got 2 more to practice together. There were 2 rabbits in the field eating flowers, and 2 more rabbits hopped by. How many rabbits were there altogether? 2 plus 2 equals 4. I hope you have that one in your brain already. If you don't, use your counting strategy. 2, 3, 4. All right, write your number sentence. 2 plus 2 equals 4. All right, this one I'm going to let you do all by yourself, and we'll check right at the end and see if you got the same thing that I got. Okay, so I'm not going to show you my board this time. I'm going to read you the problem, and you fill it in, and then we'll see if yours and mine are the same. At the zoo, there were 3 brown monkeys and 4 black monkeys. How many monkeys were there altogether? There were 3 brown and 4 black. So fill out your number bond. If I had 3 brown and 4 black, how many were there all together? Put one of those numbers in your brain and count the rest. All right, does your number bond look like this? There were 3 brown, 4 black, and all together, that makes 7 because I put the 3 in my head and I counted 4 more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I can write my number sentence. I'm going to use those 3 numbers. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Awesome. I hope you got that correct. If you didn't, go ahead and fix it up. Make it look like this and keep on practicing. All right, friends, get out your paper for today. This one, we're going to actually be cutting and gluing some of the pieces. So it looks like this. It's got some dogs along the bottom here. And we're going to take our scissors and cut those dogs right off. I'm going to cut them right off my page. And then I'm going to just cut them apart So I have all these little doggies lined up and ready to go for my math problem. So see, I'm just cutting them right apart on the dotted lines. Okay, now I've got a bunch of little doggies so I can read my problem and I can figure it out. And you might need your crayons too. Yep, you need our crayons today so we can color those dogs. And we're gonna draw the picture that goes with it. So put your name up there. Everybody do that first. Go ahead and put your name up there. Then I'll read the problem and we'll do it together with these little dogs that we cut out. All right, there were 4 dogs on a hill. So I'm gonna take, if you have your crayons, so you can draw the hill a different color if you want, but I'm just using my blue marker for today. So I draw a hill and it said 4 dogs are on the hill. So I'm gonna get my glue stick and I'm gonna glue 4 dogs on the hill. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I've got my 4 dogs on the hill. Did you do that? Make a hill and glue 4 dogs on there. And then there were 3 dogs down by the river. So I'm going to draw a river. There's my river. And how many dogs did they tell us? 3 dogs were over by the river. So I'm going to glue on 3. Here's 1, 2, 3. All right, we're done with our glue, so I'm gonna put my lid back on my glue. All right, there were 4 dogs on the hill. See my 4 dogs on the hill? And 3 dogs down by the river. How many dogs were there all together? All right, now we're gonna figure it out using our number bond. So if you have your dogs all nicely on the hill and by the river, then come on down here. How many were on the hill? 4, so let's put a 4 right there. And how many were over by the river? 3. How many are there all together? You can go back and count since we have a picture, or you can use your counting strategy where we'll put 4 in our brain and count 3 more. 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna put a 7 right there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, there were 7. All right, now let's write our fact family using these 3 numbers. So let's start with the first one. There were 4 on the hill, 3 by the river, 7 altogether. 4 plus 3 equals 7. And remember, we just flip it backwards and we put 3 and 4. We've switched those 2 around, still equals 7. We can write that both ways. 4 plus 3 equals 7, 3 plus 4 equals 7. All right, now we're gonna do 2 subtraction problems. So we're gonna start these. We're gonna put the 7 in the beginning, and then we'll use our next 2 numbers. 7 minus 4. If 4 dogs went away, how many would be left? 3. And if there are 7 dogs altogether and we took away the 3 dogs down by the river, how many would be left? Just the 4 on the hill. So this is a fact family. We used the same 3 numbers and we made 4 facts. Let's read our facts. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 7 minus 4 equals 3. 7 minus 3 equals 4. That's called a fact family when we use those 3 numbers and we make 4 facts. Awesome work today, guys. Hopefully you got this looking just like mine. Give yourself a smiley face because I know you're working hard. All right, you have a great day, and I will be back again for another word problem session tomorrow. Have a great Wednesday. Bye.